Denim on the top, yes. Denim on the bottom. This morning we're making a Canadian breakfast burrito with the help of Dempster's original tortillas. I'm going to take ingredients and flavors from all over our great nation to make the best breakfast that any Canuck would be proud to enjoy. Every great breakfast needs scrambled eggs, so here we go. A little bit of melted butter and a low heat. If you like creamy, soft scrambled eggs, this is the trick. Slowly coagulate those eggs. You're not adding milk, you're not adding cream, and you're definitely not doing this on a high heat. That to me is the perfect scrambled egg. A little bit of salt and no pepper, because our recipe will have spiced elements, which I'm going to show you. I'm making a spice blend starting with coriander from Saskatchewan, a little bit of allspice because I'm thinking about tortilla flavors. Montreal, hello. Some cayenne to give us some heat, and of course some black pepper. Now these spices are going to go into our maple syrup and our ketchup. The maple is going to glaze our pea meal bacon, and the ketchup is just going to be layered throughout our breakfast burrito. Into the maple, into some ketchup, world's tiniest whisk, as always, just to make things more interesting, you know, and layer those Canadian influences. Aha, pea meal bacon. This is now the Toronto representation in our breakfast burrito. When you go to the St. Lawrence market here in my hometown, pea meal and Kaiser and lots of mustard. That's the way to do it. This is going to cook high and fast, and after I flip it, I'm going to douse it in that spiced maple, bringing all of our national flavors together. And now the fun part, let's assemble. We've got all these Canadian ingredients, including our Dempster's original tortillas, which are made by Canada and includes Canadian wheat flour. Almost time to eat. Now the order is actually important. I've been strategic about it. Start with a little bit of the spiced ketchup right in the middle. Now I've got some cheddar from PEI. They make beautiful cheddar in the Maritimes. Shout out to PEI. Now of course, a little Montreal smoked meat right in the center. Some hash browns. You gotta have some potatoes. Maritimes have the best potatoes on earth. Then we get those beautiful scrambled eggs that we made. Put them right on top. This is a burrito designed for any Canadian lumberjack. It's hearty. More spiced ketchup on top of the eggs. A little more PEI aged white cheddar. Maple glazed pea meal right on top. And now the fold. Two sides in, and then from the bottom over. And now we've got a neat little package ready for the press. It's only going to take about 3-4 minutes till they're golden brown. If you don't have a press, you can just toast them up in a skillet till they're golden brown and the cheese gets melty. And get creative. Think about other Canadian ingredients like cheese curds, West Coast salmon, Nanaimo bars, ketchup chips, whatever, you know. And there you have it, my ultimate Canadian breakfast burrito. God, I love this country.